The South Dakota and Colorado regions had a foot snowfall until Wednesday morning. Wyoming, Nebraska and Kansas were not far behind. South Dakota had more than 14 inches in some regions, and Colorado had about 13 inches. Each of them had about 11. Some of Kansas saw about 8.5 inches. Snowfalls. The 25th of December 2023. Omaha, Neb. KETV additional profit accumulation was unexpectedly, except for a few inches at the points. A little chance for the weak snowfall lasts until Thursday, Nebraska said on social media in Hastings. This week gradual warming will be cut more a week on Sunday with small drop on Sunday. The air warnings in region began end on Wednesday morning, but the strong winds are expected to drag snow from South Dakota, Nebraska, western Kansas, Wyoming and Colorado. Snow falls on Christmas morning, Fremont, Neb. The 25th of December 2023. KETV. The winds in Colorado were up to 71 miles/h. The North and South Dakota saw gusts at a speed of 67 and 63 miles/h, respectively. It covers half-iced trees and electrical lines from Minnesota to North Dakota. Blizzard will continue until Wednesday, December 27, 2023, and will continue with 40 to 60 miles/hour and 4 to 8 inches snow from South Dakota to Colorado. Snow falling around a church on the 25th of December 2023 in Nebraska.